Hi, I'm Susan from 2000 Machinery. Today I'm going to show you guys a turnover machine to make various folded door products. It's a fast and efficient product. With our turnover machine, you can get 600 pieces production per hour. The consistency of the finished products with great speed and precision can be ensured. Secondly, easy and simple operation. It's not so difficult to operate this machine. Put the dough, add the filling, turn the handle. A perfect dumplings is made. This mold can promise you perfect edges products without failure. You don't need to use egg wash or other sealants to brush the edges. Last but not least, we support mold customization. We will do our best to provide it to you, and you can change the molds only, but not buy a machine once again. The turnover machine is very easy to make dumplings. It can help your business profitable. You deserve the turnover machine. You do need one.